Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top 11 sites with thousands of work from home online jobs and remote jobs. Hey, if you're new to my channel, I talk about all things work from anywhere. So please consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you get notified every single week when my new videos come out. And if you could do me a little favor here, if you see that like button down there, he gets real lonely. If you could just crawl up to him and give him a little tickle on the belly. He loves that. Oh, he's so cute. All right, we got that out of the way. Thank you. Let's dive right into it. Now, I'm gonna go over all these sites with you guys in no particular order, okay? Not one is really better than the other. I highly recommend you see which one fits best for your needs and do your research. Now, make sure you stick around to the end because I'm actually going to share with you guys a bonus tip that I've never shared on this channel before. I'm going to share with you guys exactly how to find work from home jobs on any search engine out there. I'm going to share with you a couple little tips and tricks that you can use in the search bar to find the latest and greatest opportunities. So you're not going to want to miss that. All right, guys, first up on our list is a company called We Work Remotely. We Work Remotely has a huge list of not only part-time, but full-time job openings in work from home and remote opportunities. They actually promise on their website to deliver over 500 new jobs every single month. And they have job categories that include programming, design, copywriting, business management, marketing, and more. So make sure to check them out. Next up is a website called Espresso. Get it? Like espresso? Espresso, they have tons and tons of job listings from companies all over the world. So if you're visiting us from outside the US or Canada, there's going to be some great opportunities for you here. Job categories include marketing, web development, customer service, writing, systems administration, and project management. Skip the drive. If you're hoping to leave behind your commute, guys, hence the name Skip the Drive, this is the site for you. They have openings in industries like consulting, nursing, account management, and so much more. You can also sign up for their email list or their newsletter and get new job postings every single week. So make sure you do that. Flex Jobs. If you've never visited Flex Jobs before, check them out. Now, they are definitely a more comprehensive job search engine, but they do have work from home and remote opportunities across tons of industries and tons of different skill levels. And you're gonna find thousands and thousands, guys, of legitimate work at home companies in tons of categories. You can also browse on-site work positions and flexible schedule positions, tons of opportunity available. Now, the only thing is with FlexJob is it is a pay to play subscription. So you actually have to pay $14.95 per month or $49.95 per year. I highly recommend trying these guys out for at least a month or two because you're definitely going to find a little bit more higher caliber jobs and companies here. Remote OK. This website is mainly for people with a background in programming and design, but it does have a lot of non-tech jobs available as well. And they actually have a really cool feature on their site where they show live rankings of all the companies that have been actively hiring over the past 12 months. So that's pretty cool to see as well. Of course, you can get on their daily email list, which sends out new job opportunities every single day. Virtual Vocations. These guys are similar to Flex Jobs in that they do charge a fee, $15.99 a month or $59.99 per year. But again, the caliber of jobs is going to be a little bit higher. So if you're looking for a more full-time, long-term career position, I would look at Flex Jobs or Virtual Vocation. Crossover. These guys are geared towards the skilled remote worker that is looking for full-time jobs and higher paying jobs. And what's really cool about Crossover is they work with 98 different countries. Categories include software development, finance, executive management, marketing, and sales. And most of the job listings here, guys, are in the six-figure category. So that's really cool. Working nomads. I don't know about you, but the word nomad does it for me. So they're all about helping you live your dream of being a digital nomad and working anywhere in the world. They specialize in job opportunities for entry-level people looking for their first telecommuting job or remote job. So this is a great opportunity for those who are maybe new to the working world. StaffTalent. These guys are kind of an up and coming remote job site. They have thousands of jobs available on their site right now. What's cool is you're able to sort these jobs based on your skill level, pay rate, job type. So it makes it very easy to search for opportunities on their website. And you can also create a profile on their website to help other companies notice you faster. Number 10 on our list is Idealist. Now, they don't exclusively cater to remote jobs, but they do have a feature on their website for remote results only. So it's worth checking them out. And last, guys, is Remote Bliss. Now they have a super easy searchable database with new postings every single day, and they actually offer resume coaching, which is super cool. So if you are new to the job world and you want some help with your resume, you can check that out as well. As promised, my friends, is your bonus tip for finding remote work from home jobs on any single search engine. I just gave you an insane list of 11 websites for you guys to start finding jobs right now. So I really hope that you guys find something. I know you will. And let me know in the comments how the job search is going, what you think of these websites. I'd be more than interested to hear about it and maybe even make it my next video. One of the tricks you can do in the search engine, whether it be Bing or Google or Yahoo, is to simply narrow down your search field. A lot of times people go and they just type in jobs for this or entry-level jobs, but that's very broad. So you want to do what's called keyword research. You want to kind of narrow it down. So my recommendation is to actually type in work from home hyphen what you're looking for, or remote jobs hyphen what you're looking for. This is in the search field, or telecommute hyphen what you're looking for. So this is going to bring up a ton of other opportunities out there in your field or in your interest. So not only is it going to bring up job boards, but it's actually going to bring up advertisements, and it's going to bring up specific companies. So you're getting ahead of the competition by going directly to the source and finding these opportunities. And this will also bring up opportunities on places like Craigslist. Now, always be careful on Craigslist because sometimes there's some scammy stuff on there, but you never know what you might find. Make sure you do your research, your due diligence, because I hate for you guys to get suckered into a job you don't want. So I hope that was helpful. I hope you got some value out of this. Please let me know in the comments what you think and tickle that like button for me. Thank you so much, everybody. I will see you in the next video.